My name's Kelly Hawkes and I am the Apprentice of the Year Service Industries. So I completed my apprenticeship with Tereen Ltd, which is a care company. I was a care practitioner and I'm now with the Welsh Ambulance Service and I'm taking the 999 emergency calls. I think the biggest advantage of doing an apprenticeship is by gaining the extra skills you need in order to deliver a better service for the service users, which I can now apply in my new job in the clinical contact centre. So my assessor, Kerry Brown, she made things really fun when I was learning my apprenticeship. She thought of different ways of making it fun to ensure that I stayed enthusiastic about it and supported me if I had any difficulties throughout. If you're thinking about doing an apprenticeship, I would definitely advise it, because when I was doing my apprenticeship I was working alongside of it and I thought that was really helpful, and it helped me get into the job I am in now. So hopefully in the long term I want to become a paramedic. Obviously there's a few steps I need to take before then, but I know eventually that I'm going to do them and create a future for myself.